Systems, structure, roadmaps, blueprints, treasure maps. I'm Bradley Sharvner. This is Thursday Thunder and the Repossible podcast. Systems, you know? So in the writer world, there are pantsers and plotters. You fly by the seat of your pants or you plot, or gardeners and architects. I am a card-carrying gardener. I love just jumping in and saying, what are we going to find out? But it wasn't always that way. That takes some daring, some confidence, some being okay with the unknown. And it can be scary. And it can also lead to no action whatsoever. Today I want to talk about structure and a roadmap and a system to get your work done, to get your stuff done, to get your goal achieved, to have a plan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go through these 5 steps. You will then achieve goal A. We're currently doing Worst Book Ever. And I was on an interview last night with a YouTube phenomenon. She's awesome. And she brought up several times the idea that I'm bringing structure to the challenge. I'm showing you step by step how to write a short book, how to write a short nonfiction book. And I tend to forget this also because I'm such a pantser, I'm such a gardener that I just kind of just do it automatically and automagically, and it kind of just all works out. And because I have all the steps in my head, I know I'm going to get them all done. I just might not do them in an order that is helpful for, anyone else. So works for me, but harder to teach. How can I help you write your short nonfiction book that will boost your business, boost your brand? And that is through structure. That is through a roadmap, a checklist, an Asana checklist, a sheet of here's what you got to do, and a timeline and deadlines, all that good stuff that usually sounds kind of boring, or at least it sounds boring to me. But that's how I can help you get it done. Because I can sit here and be Mr. Motivation, Mr. Inspiration all day, talk about getting over your fears, over the procrastination and the perfectionism, all that. And that's awesome. But if I don't give you a roadmap, then it's all just inspiration and there's no action because maybe you don't know what to do. So that's another element of Worst Book Ever that I forget to talk about is the structure, is the roadmap that I provide to show you how to put your book together, how to organize the chapters, how to format it, how to upload it to the distributor. The distributor, by the way, doesn't have to be public, but we want your book done with a cover. I'm going to show you how to make a cover, how to export the cover, how to import the cover into your book formatting tool. All this stuff's free, by the way. Oh, did I mention that? Because I'm going to show you all the tools you need. You don't have to choose, should I use this one or should I use that one? I'm going to say no. This is how I suggest we do it. I don't know if you can hear Pepper running back and forth. There's some ducks in the water. I'll try to, here, I'll give you a little glance of those. Because I'm good. I'm good here. Because this is all I really want to get across. Structure. And for me, for those of you who know that I'm not structured in that way. Just like right now, I don't have a nice table of contents of my talk today. All I know is I'm going to talk about structure. And I'm going to get up here and I'm just going to make it happen because the structure for me is automated. I've got it. It'll happen. It'll figure itself out. I'm confident enough that I can come out here and get my points across because I've worked them through in my head in a structured or less structured way, but I've worked it out in my own way. But for me to help you, we need a system. We need a plan. We need a roadmap, a checklist, an Asana checklist to help you know these are the steps I need to take to get from A to B. That's it. go.repossible.com/WBE. You can use the coupon code THUNDER to get 25% off the course. It's currently March. We're doing it again in April 1st. We're also going to do it again on November 1st, and we'll do it a couple times a year. I'm also making it so it's do-it-yourself. So you don't need the group if you're a do-it-yourselfer type person. And by the way, remember, I'm giving you all the structure. I'm giving you all the steps. The group is kind of more about motivation, inspiration, other ideas, collaboration, awesome stuff. But some people might say, you know what? Not only do I not really need that, I don't really even want that. I'm more of a do-it-yourselfer. Show me how to do it, and I'm going to do it on my own. Because we've had people in Worst Book Ever recently who said, "I'm good with the how-to. Just give me the nuts and bolts, give me the roadmap, and I'll figure it out." So there you have it. Worst Book Ever will soon, not this round, but next round will be possible to do it also as a do-it-yourself. Okay? All right. I hope that helps. Got some structure. It's a big word for me because I know I need it. By the way, as a card-carrying pantser, card-carrying gardener, I admire the plotters and the architects. Part of me wishes I could be more like them and more structured and more architecture-y, whatever, to write the blueprint before I build the house. I mean, I'd be a terrible architect, right? Okay, let's see. Start with the second floor? That's not going to work. But with a book, you can start with chapter 2 and then you pull in chapter 1. That's fine. It's not that the second floor is going to cave in because there is no chapter 1. There is no second floor. But I can then make chapter 2. You know what? Chapter 2 should really be chapter 1. We don't even need that chapter 1 we thought we needed. But now that I've made chapter 2, I know chapter 1's a good place to start. See? See how that works? But that's my wacko brain taking over, doing its own sort of organization. But I'm going to give you the structure and the blueprint and the roadmap to get it done on your own. I'm Bradley Sharviner. This is Thursday Thunder. I do this every Thursday out here with a video. Whoa, there goes Pepper again. And I am, you know what I'm doing? I'm inspiring, I'm motivating, but once in a while, on this rare sunny Dutch weather day, I'm going to give you some structure and some real tools to get forward, to move forward in your work, in your personal life, in your business, and to get that stuff done. Because by the way, worst book ever, we're going to get it done. 10 days, you've got a book done. Come join us. Go.repossible.com/WBE. I'll see you there. We're going to start April 1st. Feel free to jump on in if you want to do it yourself. Great. And use the code Thunder for 25% off. I'll see you in April. All right. Structure. Structure. It's like almost like a bad word for me. Bye. Here's my lake. Pretty, huh? Where's Pepper? Hey, Pips. Here. There he is. All right. Have a great day.